Assalamu alaikum. A great welcome to our channel in Update. Today we discuss about how to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is required in many time. For a beginner of a coder or programmer, they need Visual Studio Code. Sometimes you used Notepad or Notepad++ or Sublime Text, but Visual Studio Code is better than others, I think. Okay, now discuss about how to install Visual Studio Code. First, you have to search it on your browser, just like I used Google, and after the searching, I searched Visual Studio Code download 64-bit because my system is 64-bit system and Windows 10 supported. If your system is 32-bit and Windows 8 or 8.1 or 7, you just type as usual your system configuration. Okay, as usual system configuration, just type. Then you find your expected item on the Google. In here I find the Visual Studio Code on Windows, and here will show that download Visual Studio Code install for Windows. Okay, I just click on it. If not working properly, you can download the zip archive, and after the zip archive, then you can unzip it by any software, then you use it or you install it. In my case, when I Visual Studio Code for Windows download, then it's download started. You can see Visual Studio Code is downloading. Then when it finished, then my system required its next option. They say the welcome to the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. You can run it by your administrator option. Okay, then you accept the agreement. Okay, then clarify your location, and next press. You can you can create a startup menu if you required. I here required it, and additional icons just like you can desktop icon. Others, if you need this others icon, then you can tick on the box. Okay, if you're not required an desktop icon, then you uncheck it. Okay, then ready to install system, and it finish. It don't take so much time. After you installing it, you can search it from your Windows. Then when you double click on your Visual Studio Code, then your system just like this window. Okay, I type here in video update. You can type anything as is you required. Okay, that's the today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.